Here, you want to go forward?
Go, 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 go. Gotta build them legs up somehow.
He couldn't do that. He could not ride that bike.
She know. He used to go backwards in the motherfucker.
He used to just put his feet down and just run through the house sitting down on his bike.
He turned around and came back.
And now, since yesterday when I brought him out here, he got on it.
He couldn't even do that yesterday.
And he kept trying to go backwards, and then he finally went forward, and I'm like, yeah, keep going. And after that, he just like, I got it now.
I'm like, you about ready to take them training wheels off, huh? Them 2 wheels on the bottom, them extra wheels, they come off. That's when you really have to learn how to hold yourself.
Hi, Ray.
Oh! Why do you do that?
You did that on purpose.
I told you he was over there on a Reyes bike trying to learn how to ride it.
Yeah, you do. You're doing good. You ready to go now?
I'm going really fast.
One more time.
He's been riding in your car too long. Do you hear him? He putting the vroom vroom into it.
Turn around. He definitely needs some air in that tire, like ASAP. That's the next thing I'm gonna have to do is go get a bike. Yeah, he needs another bike. As soon as he mastered that one.
Come on.
Push him a little bit. Push him. There you go. Come on.
Watch where you're driving.
It's such a trick together.
I gotta get fast.
Watch the curve.
Boom! Don't you get... I did that too.
Did you?
Yeah, and it didn't hurt me.
Whoa. What's that hole?
Yeah, that's a big old hole. I almost fell down.
Be careful. That is ridiculously dangerous.
You got your SpongeBob shirt on?
And it goes down there too.
I'm driving back over there.
All right, let's go.